Excited to share with you my honest review about this Nordik leather desk mat cable organizer after using this for a while now. So I've been using this Nordik leather desk mat cable, and what I love about this product is that it is made from a rich leather texture, and as you can see, the color is to suit a non-slip backing and fine stitching. So as you can see, this mat will complement your stylish workspace, and this is the perfect desk pad on top of your desk for your laptop and accessories. So as you can see, another thing that I love about this product is that the comfortable soft cushioning is ergonomic to provide a relief on your wrist and into your forearms and elbows. So as you can see, so it protects your desk from moisture and scratches with a waterproof and scratch resistant surface. And it complements your office with this premium desk mat because this is designed with finer details like cream thread stitching and a non-slip suede base for extra grip. So after using this Nordic leather desk mat cable organizer for a while now, I would rate this a 5-star rating, and I must say that this is worth buying, and if I were you, I should definitely try this Nordic leather desk mat cable organizer so you can get the best of both worlds with this unique cable management and stunning design.